about me? I'm also gluten-free. Hey, that rhymed. I believe that this is starting to get pretty hot. I'll just make a normal grilled cheese sandwich and then add extra stuff to it. I don't think it was hot enough. Oops. I think I'm just gonna go with only one slice of cheese on the inside. I'm using sharp cheddar. It's like green on the inside. I gotta hurry because this is gonna get toasted by the time I'm finally done. It's like starting to... Oh no, I need to add avocado too! Maybe half an avocado? Could have split my tongue open. Don't do that, kids, please. Because obviously I could have not had a tongue right now. I can't handle this kind of stress. Like, it's in like short bursts, like out of nowhere, you know? I think I'll just have some on the side. Something's burning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's time. It's time to flip it. Ah! Everything's falling apart! No! No, please! Oh, I overloaded it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's burning. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, wait. It's actually turning out nicely. It's like kind of browning a little bit. Like browned avocados. Like, I know you're not supposed to... That sounds really dumb because usually people don't want browned avocados, but like, just the slightest bit, like, caramelized. That's what happens when I make grilled cheese. It's like charred on the top. It still looks not bad.